Where's Rafael Solicito now? Inside Amanda Knox's ex-boyfriend's life after wrongful imprisonment. Rafael Solicito, Amanda Knox's Italian ex-boyfriend, is back in the spotlight for the series The Twisted Tale of Amanda Knox, nearly 2 decades after one of the most infamous murder trials. The all-new American drama series, The Twisted Tale of Amanda Knox, is reigniting global interest in the real story of Amanda Knox, an American college student who was wrongfully convicted of the murder of a British roommate Meredith Kercher. In what would later become one of the world's most infamous murder trials, the series revisits the harrowing case of 2007 that forever changed the lives of Amanda Knox and Rafael Solicito, her then-boyfriend who was also wrongfully convicted in the case. After spending years trying to rebuild his life in Italy, Solicito, now 41, made a rare red carpet appearance on August 20, 2025 for the series. He reunited with Knox and posed alongside her and the actors who portrayed their younger selves in the show, Giuseppe De Domenico, Rafael Solicito, and Grace Van Patten, Amanda Knox. Seeing them reunited after enduring perhaps the most unforgiving storm of their lives, the audience has once again developed interest in knowing about the wrongfully accused ex's life now. The Twisted Tale of Amanda Knox is currently streaming on Hulu and Jio Hotstar India, and the world is revisiting the one unfortunate incident that broke the lives of two young lovers and altered their lives forever. With Solicito's return to the public eye, here's everything to know about him. Rafael Solicito's name has been linked to one of the most notorious murder cases of modern times, which sparked a frenzy with extensive media coverage going viral long before it became a common phenomenon of the digital age. In 2007, Solicito was a 23-year-old Italian computer engineering student who met 20-year-old American student who had recently traveled to Italy for her studies. Within days of meeting, Solicito and Knox started dating, unaware that weeks later they would be involved in a crime that would shock the world. On November 1, 2007, the police discovered the body of Meredith Kercher, a 21-year-old British exchange student who was rooming with Knox in Perugia, Italy. Days after Kercher's body was found in her bedroom, Solicito and Knox were arrested under suspicion that they carried out the murder together. What followed were years of trials, convictions, and appeals that made the couple a central figure of global media frenzy. Along with Knox, Solicito was also wrongfully convicted of Meredith Kercher's murder. Between 2009 and 2015, he spent 4 years in prison in solitary confinement. During his time in prison, he endured crushing scrutiny, multiple trials and reconvictions, only to be acquitted of all charges in 2015. The Supreme Court of Italy ruled that another man, Rudy Guede, who was also convicted in 2008, was the sole perpetrator of Kercher's murder. Despite having his name cleared of all charges, Solicito had to fight after the years-long ordeal to reclaim his life and reputation. Now 41, Rafael has made a life for himself in Milan, Italy, where he works as a computer engineer. In the 4 years that he spent behind bars, Solicito continued his studies and completed his engineering degree before his exoneration in 2005. According to a 2017 BBC report, Solicito runs his own business in Italy. During the years between his trials and imprisonment, he published a memoir in 2012 titled Honor Bound: My Journey to Hell and Back with Amanda Knox. The book recounts his experiences throughout the investigation and subsequent trials, while also revealing how his relationship with Knox was strained under the immense pressure to falsely implicate her in the crime. In 2016, Raffaele briefly worked as a crime expert on Italian television, sharing his first-hand experience of injustice. The following year, he sought compensation worth €500,000 for his wrongful conviction, but it was reportedly denied, leaving him burdened by legal debts. He was once again seen in 2022 when he made a rare appearance in the Paramount Plus documentary Who Murdered Meredith Kercher, reflecting on his prison years and the lasting impact of the case. Although Solicito and Knox are no longer romantically involved, their shared ordeal during the lengthy trial has kept them connected over the years. Reports suggest Knox wrote to Solicito weekly while they were in prison, and the two have remained friends. In 2019, Solicito announced his engagement to Andrea Michaela Burtea, though it's unclear if they are still together. While Knox has built a new life in the US with her husband and children, Solicito continues to reside in Italy.